Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. Today we'll analyze market moves across technology, communications, and healthcare sectors, covering key indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes were mostly higher today, with the healthcare sector being the notable exception. The communication services sector led gains, climbing 5.41 points to 346.71, while healthcare dropped sharply to 1,500.21, marking a new one-year low. Market breadth was notably positive across most indexes. The Nasdaq 100 saw 83% of components advance, while the Nasdaq Composite showed over 70% of stocks moving higher. The technology sector had over 80% of stocks gaining ground. Week-to-date returns show strength in tech, with the technology sector up over 8%. The Nasdaq Composite gained nearly 7%, while healthcare declined about 3%, reflecting significant sector rotation. Leading tech stocks showed impressive gains today. Super microcomputers surged 15.7% to 45. Enphase Energy and Advanced Micro Devices both advanced strongly, up 5.7% and 4.6% respectively. Week-to-date returns highlight super microcomputers' remarkable 40% surge. NVIDIA and Dell Technologies both gained over 15%, while Advanced Micro Devices rose 14%. Among declining tech stocks, Intel fell 4.6% to 21.52, while Microchip Technology dropped 2.6% to 60.65. Roper Technologies declined 1.9% despite maintaining a mixed positive trend. Despite today's declines, week-to-date returns remain positive for most underperformers. Microchip Technology is still up 9.6%, while Fortinet has gained nearly 6% this week. Technology ETFs showed consistent strength across the board. The QQQ closed at 518.66, marking its third consecutive up day with a strong positive trend. The Vanguard Information Technology Index Fund and the VanEck Semiconductor ETF both extended their winning streaks to 6 days. The 3x bearish QQQ hit another all-time low for the third straight day. Looking at returns, the VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads the group with an 11% week-to-date return and a robust 17.4% month-to-date gain. The 3x bullish QQQ shows amplified returns of 19.3% for the week and 28.2% for the month, while its inverse 3x bearish QQQ declined similarly.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Alphabet led gains, rising 5.92 to 166.81, up 3.6% with 3 consecutive up days. Microsoft showed a very strong upward trend at 452.94. Meta Platforms continued climbing, while Apple and Amazon both declined slightly. Returns analysis shows Meta Platforms leading week-to-date gains at 11.3%, with an impressive month-to-date return of 20.1%. Microsoft and Amazon both posted strong month-to-date gains above 14%, while Apple and Alphabet showed year-to-date declines. In semiconductor stocks, GCT Semiconductor holding surged 30.9% to 2.20, marking its 8th consecutive up day. Sequans Communications jumped 12.6% after breaking out of sideways movement. DataVault AI and Magnachip both gained over 11%. Return metrics highlight GCT Semiconductor's impressive 44.7% week-to-date gain and 58.3% month-to-date return. Atomera showed strong momentum with a 73.8% month-to-date gain. Sequans faced headwinds with a significant year-to-date decline of 49%. Cloud computing leaders showed strength today. Alphabet rose 3.6% to to 165.37. Shopify gained 3.5% with upward volatility. Cloudflare marked its fifth consecutive up day, while Dell Technologies and the Trade Desk also advanced. In returns analysis, Cloudflare posted strong gains across all timeframes, including 27.9% month-to-date and 43.5% year-to-date. The Trade Desk showed remarkable month-to-date returns of 47.6%, while Dell gained 21% month-to-date. In AI and robotics, Dynatrace led gains, up 5.8% to 53.50, marking 6 straight-up days. iRobot rose 5.3% with strong volatility. Symbotic advanced 4.8% for its 5th consecutive positive day. Hyundai Motor maintained an upward trend. Return analysis shows Symbotic leading month-to-date gains at 29.7%. Cognex posted a strong 17.5% month-to-date return. iRobot faced significant headwinds with a 62% year-to-date decline, while Hyundai Motor maintained positive returns across all timeframes. Leading the AI and robotics thematic ETFs today, Spear Alpha ETF rose 2.6% with a strong upward trend and 5 consecutive up days. AI and Technology and AI and Innovation Fund both showed strong positive trends with 3 or more days of consecutive gains. Week-to-date returns show Tesla leading with a 16.5% gain and average daily returns of 5.2%. Robotics and AI and Automation, Bulltwalks, follows with a 12.3% week-to-date return, while month-to-date gains across the group range from 8.9% to 23.1%. Electric vehicle stocks showed broad strength today, led by Polestar surging 10.5%. Lucid and Tesla both gained over 4%, with Tesla marking its 6th consecutive up day. BYD demonstrates a very strong positive trend. Year-to-date performance shows BYD leading the EV sector with a remarkable 57.2% gain. Li Auto follows with a 19.7% increase, while Tesla shows strong recent momentum despite being down 14% year-to-date. Quantum computing stocks surged today, with Rigetti Computing jumping 17.9% amid strong upward volatility. Archer Materials gained 10.3%, while D-Wave Quantum advanced 3.2% with a very strong positive trend. Month-to-date performance highlights D-Wave Quantum with an impressive 60.3% gain. Quantum Computing and Rigetti Computing both show strong gains of over 31%, despite mixed year-to-date performance. Solar stocks showed strength today, with Sunation Energy up 8.8%. Sunrun gained 6.7%, marking its 7th consecutive up day. Enphase Energy rose 5.7%, breaking out of recent sideways movement. Month-to-date returns showcase Sunrun's extraordinary 84.3% gain, with average daily returns of 6.5%. FTC Solar follows with a 28.5% monthly gain, while Enphase Energy shows more modest gains of 8.3%. Leading tech thematic ETFs showed strength across the board. VanEck Semiconductor ETF and SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF both maintained 6 consecutive days of gains with upward volatility. iShares U.S. Technology ETF rose to 160.17, while Vanguard Information Technology demonstrated positive momentum. Returns analysis shows semiconductor ETFs leading the pack. SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF posted the highest month-to-date return at 22.3%, while VanEck Semiconductor ETF achieved 17.4%. Week-to-date, these funds maintained strong momentum, with returns exceeding 11% and 7% respectively.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.